Good morning dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. In last video we had seen lesson number 1.2 from unit 1. Today we are going to start with 1.3, a poem on page number 8. 1.3, In the Time of Silver Rain. This poem is written by Langston Hughes. First, I'll read the poem, then I'll start with my explanation. In the time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Langston Hughes. Now, in this poem, the poet Langston Hughes, he is an American writer and activist who has won many awards and honor for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expressions are noted. Now, in this poem, he describes how rain brings joy and life, the joy and beauty of nature that spring brings, along with it, filling our heart with wonderment at the newness of life. Now, you everyone know that when it starts raining, we feel very happy to see the first rain. So, here in this poem, the poet is describing when the rain comes, how all the nature or the earth, how they feel, how the joy is spread everywhere. So let us start. The first stanza. In time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Now, what your poet is telling, when the rain starts, the earth, the full earth put forth new life again. Everything which is there, already there on the earth, but it comes again, it gains a new life. As you know, when there is a summer season, hot climate is there. So due to hot climate, the trees, plants, animals, everyone are suffering from the heat, scorching sun's heat. So, but when the first shower of the rain falls, each and everything on the earth gets what? New life. Green grasses grow. As the rain starts, we can see it is almost like a magic. All the brown earth turns into green. So when the first rain comes, we see that new small grasses grows on the grass, and flowers lift their heads. You can see on that grass small flowers are coming there, and they are lifting their head, means they are blossoming. Okay, and over all the plain you can see all green grasses and flowers, and over all the plains you can't see a single mountain or anything brown. But when it starts raining, as we feel that it is a green velvet bedsheet spread on the earth. The wonder spreads, as I said, that you feel that everywhere is greenery. Your eyes are feeling very nice to see that greenery. The wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. Okay, let's, so because the all green grass, the flowers leave their head. When you see this all over the earth, the wonder spreads means you feel very happy, and you feel that everywhere is what? Life, of life, of life, of life. Okay. In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry. Okay, now when it is raining, what you can see the butterflies. They lift their silken wings with their soft and smooth wings. They are lifting it, and they are what? They are flying, and they are trying to catch what? A rainbow. They are trying to catch the rainbow. All butterflies are feeling very happy. They are very happy, and they are flying high. Why? To catch a rainbow. Okay, rainbow cry. And trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. Okay, now when the butterflies fly with their silken wings, why they are flying? To catch a rainbow cry. All the trees put forth means, what do you mean by put forth? To bring out. Okay, they bring out new leaves, and that all new leaves are what? Singing. Where? In joy beneath the sky. The new leaves are singing in joy, means in happiness, beneath the sky. Beneath means under the sky. Okay, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. Now, as butterflies are lifting their silken wings, and they are trying to catch rainbow. Okay, new leaves are coming out. They are also feeling what? Happy, and they are what? They are also singing. Where? Beneath the sky, means under the sky. Same way, as down the roadway, on the roadways you can see what? Passing boys and girls. Passing boys and girls means children's, all the children who are going here and there. They are also what? Singing, because who feel very happy when the rain comes? One is the farmer, and another are the small children, because they love to play in what? Rain. So as the rain start, passing boys and girls go singing too. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Now when the rain starts, when the silver rain starts, when spring is what? One season. Okay, spring is one season, and life are new. What here the poet is telling? That when this season comes, all the life, the whatever living things are there on the earth, they are what? Very new. Okay, now the happiness in the nature is so contagious that it extends to human beings also, and the newness of life is enjoyed by everyone. I hope you have understood this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.